Hi, in this video I'm going to go through the number objects that can be created with nuBuilder Forte. Firstly, a number type is used for entering numerals and features a key up and down button to incrementally increase or decrease the value. A nuNumber type is similarly used for entering numbers, but it can be set to conform to any custom currency formats created in the database. Keep in mind that in the back end, underneath the formatting, it's stored as a number with 4 decimal places. A Calc type is a custom nuBuilder object that contains a calculator that can easily run calculations using multiple number and nuNumber objects. A nuDate type creates a date conforming to any custom date formats created in the database. A nuAutoNumber type is a read-only field that generates a number sequence onSave that advances one number each time a new record is saved. Lastly, a display type shows a valid SQL result, for example showing a field from a different table, or counting the amount of entries in a different table.
Hey, I was reading that.